Ever wondered how groundbreaking products come to life? It all starts with the spark of an idea. Identifying problems that need solving is the first step in creating something truly innovative. Brainstorming is key to innovation. Techniques like mind mapping and group discussions can help generate creative solutions. Let's explore how these methods can lead to your next big idea. Market research is crucial for understanding your audience. By validating your idea with potential customers, you ensure there's a demand. This step can save time and resources later. Analyzing competition and market trends helps refine your idea. Tools like SWOT analysis can provide insights into market positioning and potential challenges. Prototyping is a vital part of product development. It allows you to visualize and test your concept. Creating a minimum viable product, an MVP, helps in gathering early user feedback. User feedback is invaluable in refining designs. Iterative improvements based on real-world use can transform a good product into a great one. The development phase involves collaboration with engineers and designers. Clear communication ensures everyone is aligned with the product vision. Iterative testing and improvement are essential. Regular testing helps identify issues early, allowing for timely adjustments and enhancements. Effective product testing methods ensure quality and reliability. Gathering user feedback during this phase is crucial for making necessary refinements. Quality assurance plays a significant role in product success. It ensures that the final product meets all standards and expectations. A successful product launch involves strategic planning. From marketing to promotion, every step must be carefully executed to maximize impact. Post-launch customer support is vital. It helps build trust and ensures customer satisfaction, paving the way for long-term success. Measuring product success involves tracking key performance indicators, KPIs. These metrics provide insights into how well your product is performing. Continuous improvement is essential. By analyzing feedback and performance data, you can make informed decisions for future enhancements. Let's recap the essential steps in product development. From idea generation to launch, each phase plays a critical role in creating a successful product. Following a structured process ensures efficiency and effectiveness. By adhering to these steps, you can navigate the complexities of product development with confidence. By embarking on your own product development journey, you open doors to innovation. Start today and turn your ideas into reality. Remember, every great product starts with a single idea. With the right approach, you can transform that idea into something impactful. By following these steps, you'll not only create a product, but also a legacy. Your journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Take the first step today. Begin your product development journey and bring your innovative ideas to life. The world is waiting for your creation.